Hey, what's up, Shiba Inu token holder? It's time, my friend, to celebrate now this time because Shiba Inu 80.16% price change occur. You can see here that's a really great news, my friend, for all of me. And the volume is 300 plus, my friend, increase now tonight just in only. Obviously, they will give you, my friend, 120%, my friend, profit. It's absolutely possible. Now ask me how is it possible. Let's see, my friend. I am going to everything is going to be proof now, but please, if you are new my channel, first of all subscribe this channel, and also, my friend, share your opinion, my friend, in a comment box. So that's really good, my friend, for everyone to you share your opinion, my friend. And this time you can see here in the chain occurring. First of all, oh my goodness, I can't expect this from Shiba Inu today will again pumps up like that, but that's really that's just an only reality, my friend. You can see here in last 1 hour minus 3.79%, they will decrease now, but in last one day 49.36% the price is pumped up. In last 7 days 80.01%, my friend. Tonight when I see, my friend, they will get now 70% profit, but they will lose now. That's mean, my friends, too. And they were fails down in the morning. Every coin, my friends, please try to understand. In the morning every coin were fails down for short time, so this is does not mean to this coin is going to the garbage. But don't worry, my friend, I am 100% sure to upcoming time they will again starting moving upwards. So this is does not mean to they will fails down. After a fail, absolutely they will take a jump. So therefore I am 100% sure to after this jump they will also take a very huge jump and they will recover all the loss. So if they will recover all the loss, so that's mean, my friends, to upcoming time Shiba price will again pumps up and get a very good profit. So hope you understand, Shiba Inu coin holder. My prediction is again going positive. I hope, my friends, they will easily hit now 0.005 USD dollar at the end of month. So thanks for watching, Shiba Inu coin holder. Please like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type informative and urgent updates videos.